Hello everyone, I'm Pam and I am going to show you a new feature in Canva. It is called Layers and it is pretty fun. So I'm going to show you just one image. It's just going to be a short video and then I want you to put in the comments what you would do with this. So I'm going to go over here to the purple button that says create, and then something up here is going to happen. You see where it says quick actions? Go ahead and click on magic layers. All right, and then we're going to pick a image. You can upload one if you want. I am going to take this one. And this is an image that I didn't create. Someone sent it to me. Okay. And so watch what it does. It like magically does something here. It's working. See where the magic layers. Now the magic layers is in the Magic Studio now. This is now we can do some of these things with the magic grab and text grab and stuff, but this is a lot easier, I feel. So just let it work its magic. And there we go. The font is a little different, which is fine. But look, all of it is everything. Now, I didn't make this. This wasn't like this. Okay, and I think we can pull, we can pull all of this stuff. All the layers. See how that, and even this layer. Oh, wow. So there's just thought that this would be a little fun little thing to share. And it is found in, not Ask Canva. It is found in the Magic Studio. It's called Magic Layers. And let me know in the comments what you would do with it. Okay. Thank you.